I was born in Iran as an immigrant. We come here, particularly those of us who come from countries that don't say that they provide equality to everyone. We come here with a different view of America. And it's not to say that there's not a lot of great things about this country that I've benefited from, but it's not all that's advertised, you know? And for me, learning about how the system was institutionally racist, oppressive, ineffective, really criminalizes poverty, criminalizes people of color to a large extent. It was just not the America that I think we expected we were coming to. But then I had professors who also taught us to look at ways that we can change, you know, and improve the system and make progress. And so that became my calling. And so did a lot of work around policing and racial profiling and police brutality, and it coincided with 9/11. So was able to do work both on the more traditional forms of profiling by law enforcement in America of Black and brown people on the streets, you know, by cops, but also some of the post 9/11 profiling that was, you know, picking up and in our face back then. I wasn't unfamiliar with the way that law enforcement operated and discriminated against particular people in this country. So I had the knowledge, but it's another thing to really feel it, you know, and we had other communities telling us, welcome to the block, you know, this is what it is. And it really instilled in me an understanding of the need to collaborate with and work with other communities of color and other immigrant communities in this country, because it's all one fight. Because I tend to be critical of the systems of government in this country and the ways that they can be much better, and some ways that they shouldn't even exist, you know. People think I'm not grateful for all the opportunities that I've had in this country. But I recognize that I have had all these opportunities because we moved here. But I also know one of those opportunities is for me to be able to say what I think and to fight for a better way of life for myself and everyone else, right? So that's what America is about, really taking the freedoms and the opportunities that are offered here and making the most of it.